how to join a group on Roblox Mobile. So if you want to join a group on Roblox Mobile, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Roblox and make sure that your Roblox app is also updated to the latest version. You can open up your Play Store or your App Store to check if it has been updated. After updating, you need to open up your Roblox. And after opening your Roblox, you need to go with more, which is on the bottom right. And from here, you need to scroll down and then go with the settings section. Tap on settings. Now, once you're on your settings, you may have communities, or you can also just simply go with more, which will be on the bottom. And here you may have communities. You need to tap on communities right here. Communities is the updated version of groups. It was previously called groups, but now it is called communities. Joining a community in Roblox is important because it helps players connect with others who share similar interests, making the game experience more fun and engaging. Through communities, players can find friends, join groups, participate in events, and collaborate on projects like building games or creating outfits. It also offers a space to ask questions, share tips, and learn from more experienced users. You can tap on more communities or go with see all, which will be on the right side, and you'll be able to explore some more communities. Or if you want to create a community, you can go with create, which will be right here, and then create a community of your own. Or if you want to join, then you can just simply go with more communities and then scroll down and you will have all of the communities or groups right here. You can just simply go and join any community that you are comfortable with. Just tap on the community that you would like to join, or you can also search for the community that you desire. And if you want to join, and then tap on join community and you'll be able to join the community. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.